During Operation Sindoor on 10th of May, Pakistan had used unarmed drones and loitering munitions. None of them actually could inflict any damage to Indian military or civilian infrastructure. Most of them were neutralized through a combination of kinetic and non-kinetic means, and some of them, in fact, could be recovered in almost intact conditions. We need to focus on combat in future in this particular lower airspace. The ability to use LEO satellites for control of USS, enhance communication and navigation services, and increase the range and functionality of drones manifold. Conventional drones that work on principles of line of sight data link are limited in range and capabilities. Let's now talk about counter US system and a counter US grid. As drones and autonomous systems become the choice of weapons for targeting, developing counter US systems to protect our critical infrastructure and military assets assumes importance. Counter US operations are extremely complicated. Detecting, identifying, tracking, and neutralizing drones involves creation of a counter US grid that must be capable of integrating and networking multiple technologies such as radars, sensors, jammers, as well as directed energy weapons. The effectiveness of this architecture will hinge upon seamless coordination and integration across air defense networks, civil aviation, regulators, and local command and control structures to avoid gaps, fratricide, and operational blind spots. The modern counter-US system grid is not only about technology, it's about fusing disparate assets into a resilient, adaptive ecosystem that can dynamically respond to the evolving aerial threats in a contested lower airspace.